Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on the Widebody 86. We're going to be swapping over the drift armor rear bash bar from the daily onto the Widebody and putting a stock diffuser back on the daily so we can hopefully sell the car and do what we want to do with the Widebody once we can jump right into it. So let's just jump right into the work. Alrighty, so a quick rundown of what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be mainly focusing on the Widebody. We're going to be putting in a drift armor rear bash bar from the daily onto this car, and this is the current rear bash bar that's on the daily. It's a drift arm, and we have this catless exhaust on it right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually put a stock diffuser here, and we're going to swap out the rear bash bar for the rear reinforcement, the stock one, and a stock exhaust. And this is the stock diffuser that we're going to be using, so we're going to have to go ahead and cut it out real nice along these lines so we can just go ahead and solder it and plastic weld it onto the current bumper on the daily. And that's about it, so without further ado, let's get to it. That we got this piece cut out of that bumper, we're going to go and solder this piece on a new bumper. Let's get to it. Alright, just a little update. As you can see, we have reinstalled the stock diffuser on my daily, and now we're going to get to the Widebody. We're going to unscrew the Widebody, the rear fenders for the quarter, and then we're going to take the bumper off, install this drift armor bar, and put everything back together. Let's get to it. see, we've installed the drift armor bar on the Widebody, and it looks quite well. And I guess we're gonna call it a night. It's around 3 a.m. and we're gonna go home and get some rest, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.